Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like through this time frame, then does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Weekend was pretty all over the place. I mean, when you consider that at one point the price had actually broken up above the resistance that I talked about on Friday, which was that purple line right there. But talk about a fake breakout and just a total almost pump and dump type move where the price made a quick move upwards and it only lasted for a few hours. And then from there, the price just totally collapsed all the way down to where it is right now. And remember, I say where it is right now because cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look a little different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. The first update, though, that doesn't need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as areas of resistance. So the first question to ask yourself, and we'll just go with the 15-hour number. So you're watching this video 15 hours after it's been posted. Just ask yourself, where's the price at relative to 35.65? If you're answering the question that the price is still down below it, that just really implies that there's been really no signs of true bullish power. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean the chart is terrible. It just doesn't mean that the bulls have really shown up in any sort of, big worthwhile way. Now, if you are answering the question that the price is down below it still, that's where the next immediate question comes into play. And that is based on this level down here at, let's see, what is that? 34.60. So if you're answering the question now, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 34.60? If you're answering the question that the price is still up above it, well, that just implies that the price is consolidating and just going some ways in, some shape or another. So it could be going sideways down here still. Maybe it's bounced up a little bit here and now it's going sideways up there. But one word could separate or could, summarize that, situation where the price is again down below 35.65, that red line, but up above 34.60. That would just simply be consolidation. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is actually down below 34.60, that's where a little gut instincts, common sense comes into play. If you're answering the question that the price is, just right there, okay, I mean, don't get me wrong, that's not a good thing, but that would be much different than if you're watching this and the price is, all the way down there at 3,300, for example. That would obviously be much more bearish situation. But as things stand right now, as I do the video, definitely 35.65 resistance is a key level, and then 34.60 key level down there at support. So we'll see how this week continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.